Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to enjoy exciting discounts with the Opay Verve card. And the first thing you need to do is open up the Opay app and then tap on the cards icon at the bottom here. As you can see, Opay Verve debit card at the bottom is something sweet in there. It's a promo. Opay is running a promo where you enjoy 10% off with your Opay Verve card. The second benefit is you can also get to transact with your Opay Verve card and get exempted from 15 naira quarterly charge. 15 naira quarterly card maintenance fee as you transact with your Opay card. So you can be exempted from this when you transact with your Opay card. Now, to see more about this or to learn more, tap on it. Tap on enjoy 10% off with Opay Verve card and you can see all the Opay Verve card benefits. You can enjoy exciting discounts with your Opay Verve card. How? You can get up to 10% off when you use your Opay Verve card at select restaurants, supermarkets, and NPC outlets and more. You can enjoy the discounts now by 1. Paying with your Opay Verve card. Get 10% discounts at The Place restaurants, Sweet Sensation restaurants, and Adidas supermarket. You can also get 2 liters of fuel free for every 10 liters purchased at select NPC fuel stations pan Nigeria. Now, this promo is valid from August 15th to December 31st, 2024, between Thursdays to Sundays. So hurry over there. Now, your question might be, how do you find these locations? Tap on Find Selected Location. And under restaurants, we have The Place. You can see our selected locations. Look for the one closest to you. We also have Sweet Sensation. You can see all the addresses, the selected locations closest to you. Then you can also check out the supermarket, Adidas supermarket. And we have the stores and their addresses here. Look for the one closest to you so you can enjoy this discount. And also an NPC outlets to enjoy your 2 liters free of fuel when you buy 10 liters and you pay with your Opay Verve card. So there are the addresses of the NPC outlets where you can enjoy this. So that's it. Do not forget that this promo is valid from August 15th to December 31st, 2024, between Thursdays to Sundays.